All right, Mike Lusby.
Come on, baby.
Sets. Go.
Come on, Mike.
Perfect. Come on, baby. Woo! There you go, lap it. Come on. Get it in.
Nice.
Easy.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Come on. Go get it, Mike.
Come on. Use those hips. You got it. Up, 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 up. Ease. Woo!
Okay, you move the ball. Roll the 350 around.
Let me get that tag.
Roll the 350. Roll her up here.
Oh my. This would be a huge PR. 50-pound PR. You must be feeling good.
Come on, Mike. That's good, Mike. Yeah. All right.
You got it.
Come on,
Take your
Mike.
time with it. Really think about those hips.
All right, he's going to go for the bonus stone.
Make sure that's nice and secure, that box.
Come on, it's noise. Go. Come on, Mike.
350 pounds. Eyes on you. Come on,
Mike. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
Get in your lap. Come on, roll it in. Take your time. Come on.
Come on, Mike. Get up there. Get up there, Mike.
Right! Up, up.
Come on, Mike.
Get those hands under. Don't you pull away. Don't pull away. Don't pull away.
As close as you can get without
See this box.
Try again. Come on, Mike. Okay, cool.
You got it. Let's make sure that box is. I was going to say, I agree. Two people.
That guy back there.
Come on, Gav.
Get a little Gavin back there. He's only like 3'8".
Gavin baby's
Okay,
in.
all right. That's better. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
Come on, got it. Good.
This is everything. Come on. Last
Mike.
thing.
Easy pick.
There you go. In the lap. Get it in the lap.
All right. That was